Hello guys, and welcome back to my driveway. You can see behind me I got the truck home, and I got a new bumper for it. I can't really do a crazy big reveal on it because as soon as you see it you're gonna guess what it is. But new bumper still in the packaging. We're just gonna quickly slap her on today and see how she looks. So what do you guys think? Did I just ruin the look of the truck? Well, I got another couple things going on with this. I'll take a look in a second here from one of my other projects. Pull it out. So at this point, those lights are a rough mock-up. They're a lot smaller than I remember. They look a lot bigger on the front of the Fiat. I was actually planning on putting them on front of the Fiat. All the wiring is done. I just needed to make some custom brackets for it. And 10 years later, I never got around to it. So, kitty cat. Yeah, they're going on the bottom of the Peterbilt here. So I get more light in the winter. And I'm going to put mud flaps on both sides there. I was debating on whether that style or this style, but looking at the bumper, looking at the truck right now, these are going to go on. Now, I don't have all the mounts and equipment to put them on right now, so this is just a rough mock-up for now. I'm going to have to do that another time. So I'm thinking for the rest of the afternoon today, I'm going to polish some tanks.